Hi, I'm Alex, and today I want to tell you about my family. Family is very important to me, and I love spending time with them. First, let me introduce you to my mom. Her name is Sarah. She's kind and caring. She cooks delicious meals for our family and helps me with my homework. Mom works at a hospital as a nurse. She takes care of sick people and helps them feel better. Next, there's my dad, John. He is funny and hard-working. Dad works at an office as a manager. He helps people in his team do their jobs well. He also loves to play basketball. With me in the park. I have a sister named Emily. She is my best friend. Emily is smart and creative. She likes to paint and draw beautiful pictures. We often play games together and share secrets. My grandparents are also part of our family. Grandma Mary and Grandpa David live in the countryside. They have a big garden where they grow fruits and vegetables. Grandma bakes yummy pies. And Grandpa tells us interesting stories. About when he was young. Uncle Tom is my mom's brother. He lives in another city. He's a pilot and flies airplanes. When he visits us, he brings us souvenirs from different places he has been to. Aunt Lisa is my dad's sister. She is a teacher at a school. Aunt Lisa loves to read books. And she always gives me exciting stories to read. We also have a pet dog named Max. Max loves to go for walks with us in the park and chase after balls. Family is special because they love and support each other. We share happy moments together and help each other during difficult times. I am grateful for my family, and I cherish every moment we spend together.
Nurse. 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 My mom is a nurse who helps sick people get better. Souvenir. 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 Uncle Tom brings us souvenirs from the places he visits. Support. 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 My family gives me support when I have a difficult day. Secret. 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 Emily told me a secret about her birthday surprise.
Feel free to express your ideas in the comments section below. We love hearing from our community. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest uploads. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to keep bringing you more engaging content.